welcome back to Sunny Live Train. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gqeberha the Empire from the 23rd to 27th of December 2024 on Monday. Thulani wants nothing to do with Zimkhitha after she unburdened herself to him. Ntando's business meeting ends in joy on Tuesday. Chaos erupts as the event reaches its peak, leaving Hlumelo stunned and betrayed as his world begins to unravel. Things take an unexpected turn between Ntando and Nomaflower on Wednesday. The chickens have come home to roost for Hlumelo and Nozuko, and it's not looking good. Ntando and Nomaflower make plans for their future on Thursday. The heir and the heirs take charge of what rightfully theirs. Hlumelo and Nozuko fail to find a way to get themselves out of the hellhole on Friday. Hlumelo interrupts Thulani and Nobomi's return to the hotel celebration. Ntando and Nomaflower kiss and make up. Nozuko is convinced Zimkhitha is Thulani's inside man. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. In that note, Merry Christmas.